is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good day. I hope everybody's grabbed a coffee, something to get them pumped up for the day. Reading a book in the morning is the most positive, motivational thing you can do in the AM to get you started. Lately, I've been reading a couple pages of this book that I'm really loving. I got it for $3.99. The book is called You Can Stay Home with Your Kids. It's 100 tips, tricks, and ways to make it work on a budget. Yesterday, I read a page and it was talking about haircuts, how to dupe your own haircuts. So I'm all like, okay, I used to do this back in the day. I used to dye my own hair. I used to cut my own hair. I used to do my own layers. I used to do other people's layers. I thought I'd film doing this again, but I haven't done this in a long time, so hopefully I don't mess it up. So you're going to need clips, hair cutting scissors. Don't just grab any type of scissors in your house. These need to be actual hair cutting scissors. So go to Sally's, grab you some scissors. Also, just a comb to take the tangles out. And I'm gonna use my rubber band for one of the loops as well. I have a couple things I wanted to show you that I use for my hair. Hair, skin, and nails. This already has biotin in it, but I take another thing of biotin because it just helps overall. I have prenatals that I still take. I am not pregnant. I just had my baby. I know there's some post-prenatal pills, but question. My sister came over and told me that prenatals make you gain weight. So I want you to leave a comment. Is that true or is that false? So let's just get into this video and hope everything goes well. Okay, I am filming in my kitchen right now because my bedroom has carpet. And cutting hair in a bedroom with carpet isn't the smartest thing to do when you can just be in your kitchen and sweep it up. I have this Impressions mirror that I did do a review on it, and I'll put the link up above and down below. But I love this thing because you can travel with it and it's super light. It does have Bluetooth, so I can listen to some music as well. I have got my hair bleached twice. Have not got it trimmed or anything since. So it is a little dead, and I am just gonna cut off about this much. That's not too much. And then I'm gonna add some layers because I literally have no layers. All this is right here is probably breakage because I have not had layers put in my hair in a long time. Okay, yes, let's get started. I am so excited to bring this video to you. I'm so excited to kind of teach you and go along with you. But first and foremost, let me welcome those who have not been here before. Definitely go and press that subscribe button. Okay, for beginners, let's start by taking all the tangles and the knots out of our hair by brushing it through and making sure everything is even and straight. While brushing your hair forward, you need to make sure everything is in front of your head. And then you're going to put that into a rubber band. Depending on the thickness of your hair, you're going to need to split it in 2 or into 3. And those will be your sections to start off with. We're going for more of a soft look, so let's not cut straight, but cut upwards to give it some texture and a soft, uneven edge to it. Be very careful with the shears that you buy brand new because they are sharp and they will cut you when you are cutting upwards. Take your time with this because you are cutting your hair, and if you cut it wrong, you will look bad. The trimming is complete, and now we are going to move on to our first layer, and we are going to split our hair in half. Brush your hair forward as smooth as you can. Cutting your hair in big chunky sections is a huge no-no. This is going to be our longest layer, so I'm going to cut this right at my shoulder. Layers have two purposes: to thin thick hair or boost volume, and it's depending on how thick your hair is. Clean up your ends and make sure everything is nicely blended, and cut away all the long hairs. Second layer, we are going to split this behind our ears. We are starting on our second layer, which is our medium layer, and we need to cut that 3 inches higher than the last layer that we cut. If you don't want to lose fullness or thin out your hair, then layers are not going to be for you. Third layer is going to be the last layer and the shortest layer, and that is going to be split by the arch of your eyebrow. The last layer is always measured by the bottom of my chin, and that is to frame your whole face. Okay guys, the cut is done. If you are still with me, go and smash that like button so I know that you are still here. The final result, everyone. Alright, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Comment below if you learned something. But signing off on a great note, I didn't mess my hair up.